Welcome to this lesson on present continuous WH questions. In this topic, we will explore how to ask questions that begin with words like what, where, who, and why using the present continuous tense. These questions help us ask about actions that are happening right now. The structure for forming a present continuous WH question is simple. Start with the WH word like what, where, who, or why. Then add the helping verb am, is, or are depending on the subject. Follow this with the subject itself and finally the verb with the ing ending. For example, what are you doing? Let us look at some common WH words and how they are used. What is used to ask about things or actions? Where is used to ask about places? Who is used to ask about people? And why is used to ask about reasons? These words help us ask clear and specific questions. Here are a few examples. What are you doing? This means you want to know the action happening right now. Where is she going? We ask this to know her destination. Why are they laughing? This is used to ask for a reason. You can notice that these questions use both a WH word and the present continuous form of the verb. Let's connect the question with a natural answer. What are you reading? I am reading a book. Where is she going? She is going to school. Why are you smiling? I am smiling because I am happy. Each answer clearly matches the question and continues the present continuous tense. It is important to see the small difference between a normal statement and a question. For example, the statement says, "You are watching TV." When we make it a question, we say, "What are you watching?" The helping verb and the WH word move to the beginning. The same happens with "she is cooking dinner." The question becomes, "What is she cooking?" Now it is your turn to practice. Try to fill in the missing WH words. Blank are you doing? The answer is what. Blank is she wearing? That will be what again. Blank are they talking to? The answer is who. Blank is he going? The answer is where. Practice saying these aloud to become comfortable forming these questions. Let's quickly review what we learned. Number 1, we begin with a WH word to ask for details about an action. Number 2, we use am, is, or are depending on the subject. Number 3, we use the present continuous form of the verb to talk about actions happening now. For example, what are you doing means asking about an action in progress. Great work learning this structure today.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.